Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Store. So today's video is in collaboration with Foxy. For those who don't know what Foxy is an online shop for beauty brands. So today we'll be talking about Mamaearth products. So we'll use each and every product and see how it works on our skin. So let's get started with each product one by one. So first we'll discuss about this Mamaearth Uphtan face wash, which contains turmeric and saffron. It is paraben and silicone free, which is the best quality it has. It is dermatologically tested and suits all skin types. This is for tan removal. So you get 25 ml for ₹99 in this sample pack. I have ordered sample pack for each and every product because I just wanted to see how it works on my skin. So yeah, they are saying it is suitable for all skin types. Let's see if it is. So this is the packaging. Let's see its consistency. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, it contains some granules of saffron and it has a very mild smell and the fragrance is good. So now let's apply it on our face and see how does it affect the skin. Let's take some water and apply in circular motion. La 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 la. So now I have applied it, and take some water and massage it gently on your skin. Da, da, da. I'm avoiding the eyes right now because okay. So now let me go and wash my face. Wash your face with lukewarm water. So look at the skin, how glowing it is. It has brightened my skin, removed all the tanning. So yeah, it's a good product. It feels so soft. So now moving on to our next product. This product is highly recommendable. So moving on to our next product, which is Mamaearth Uphtan face mask. So this is for ₹99. You get 25 grams. It contains saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. This is for skin brightening. That was for tan removal. So this is also paraben and silicone free. All the products are paraben and silicone free from Mamaearth, and it contains bioactives. So let's see its consistency. Okay. So this is how it looks like. It's very, smooth. It's smelling like apricots. Apricot oil की smell आ रही है. The fragrance is good. Overall, the fragrance is good. So let's apply this mask on our face and see how it works. Okay, let's get started. So I've taken the mask and applied it all over my face with my fingertips. So it has spread all over my skin. I have avoided my eye area because face mask should be avoided over the near the eye area. So yeah, I have spreaded it nicely all over my face. Now I have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll go and wash it off with lukewarm water. So yeah, we have washed our face after applying this mask. So this is the effect we get. Look at the skin. It's so flawless. So definitely इसने skin bright की है and skin has become softer. So So now this product is highly recommendable, and you guys should definitely use this product, because this product gives you a brighter skin, softer skin, and yeah, it's paraben free. So yeah, moving on to our next product, which is oil free face moisturizer. Face mask लगाने के बाद it's very important to use face moisturizer, and this is oil free, so oil won't be visible on your face. So let's see. In this you get 25 grams for 99 rupees again. So this is acne prone. This is for acne prone skin, and it contains apple cider vinegar. This is the packaging it comes in. So let's apply and see. First, let's see the consistency. Okay. So this is the consistency. Very soft. Let's apply it on the skin. Just take a small quantity. Okay. Okay. So we have applied this. This is really oil free, and the fragrance is very good. I like the fragrance. सबसे अच्छी fragrance मुझे इसी की लगी अभी तक. And then yeah, my skin has become very subtle and soft. Baby soft skin. चलो जहाँ बेबी की हमने बात कर ही ली है, तो let's talk about Mamaearth's Milky Soft Face Cream for babies. So you can apply this to your babies, and you can even apply it on your face, because I generally prefer baby creams on any other moisturizers, because I love baby creams. So this product it contains milk protein and muru butter, and it is dermatologically tested. Okay, that's it. So now let's apply and see it. How the texture is. So the texture is like any other baby cream. This is the texture. It's very soft. The fragrance is very baby friendly. It's very mild. ज़्यादा कुछ harsh fragrance नहीं है. And yeah, I can't apply it on my face now because I have just applied moisturizer. So yeah, let's apply it on our hands and see the results. This makes our skin very soft. So this was the skincare range. There are many more products of Mamaearth. You should go and try those. So there's also a hair care range. I have ordered a argan hair mask, which contains argan, avocado oil and milk protein. This is for frizz-free hairs, and you get 25 ml for 99 rupees. This is the packaging it comes in. These all are trial products, okay? So let's move on. Let's see how the mask is. So let's see the texture. So the texture is like a cream. It's a creamy textured. It's like the conditioners we apply. It smells like argan, and I have applied this hair mask on my hair last week, and it really gives soft and smooth hairs, and my hairs have become more frizz-free because my hairs are very frizzy, and I had a lot of hair fall, which is even controlled by this hair pack. So guys, I'll definitely recommend these Mamaearth product ranges, which is the skincare range, hair care range and the baby product range. So guys, you must definitely opt for these products, which will make your skin, hair and your baby's skin soft, subtle, brighter, tan free. So yeah, go for these products. And these products are available on Foxy. So just go log into Foxy, buy these products, and yeah. So if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon below. And yeah, if you like the product review, so better leave a comment down. So that's it for today. So we'll come back with more informative videos only on Fashion Store. So stay tuned till then, and okay, bye.